Good evening. Can you believe that we are here, actually here, on our beautiful Paradise High School campus to celebrate and welcome the Paradise High School graduating class of 2019 back to their home field?
The fact that we are here tonight to celebrate this milestone is a miracle, because you survived one of the most destructive wildfires in our nation's history. It left us a different people. You are the first generation of Paradise High School graduates to rise from the ashes of what life was and take a bold step forward into a new and uncertain future. But with what you've been through, you have what it takes to persevere. Congratulations and good luck.